Alright guys, this is my practice exam. I will be doing this. I already did it, but I will be explaining exactly all those steps that you need to take for each question. Um, First page, right? So first of all, we got all our data. You got everything right here from the numbers to the ages, annual income, number of purchases, states, cities, genders, movie genres, and dollar amounts. First question says to create a histogram to illustrate the distribution of age using the bins provided below. What are bins, you might say? Right here. These bins right here is what's gonna help us to do this, right? So first of all, in our data tab, all the way to the right, we have data analysis. Press that, get the histogram up. Numbers are already put, right? So what do? You select all the age, right? Because we're using the age over here. It says distribution of age. You got it on the tab, select from top, including the title, all the way to the bottom, right? Press enter. Now, bin range. Where's it at? Right here. We select title all the way to 55, because Excel will do it by itself when it's over 55. I did not include this cell right here where the bins go. We press labels because we want these to come out right here. And output options is where we want it to be, the histogram, right? First of all, output range. We select exactly where we want it to be, starting right here as I selected before. And chart output, sorry. This is just gonna help us to get the chart right there where it is, and just make things a little bit easier. Got it? So this is exactly how it's supposed to look. You will first get this right here with the histogram chart. Also, this will be in blank. So what do? Just as we see here, press equal, select the frequency that's matching the bins, sorry, and press the first one. For example, right here, 09. And then we can just pull that down just like that. I'll make it. Oh, wait, give me a second. This will make it a lot easier. Should be working now. Just a little bit of an update. Alright, so perfect. That's exactly how it's supposed to look. We have it right here. Same values. Same values. Same values right here too. Got it? Question number 2. First tab, right? Create a frequency table and then a pie chart to illustrate the distribution of customers across different cities. Include proper titles on your graph and label the slices on the pie chart with the category, name, and percentage. We start off by doing this right here. This is what we call a frequency table. Right here. So how do we do this, you might ask, right? Go back to the chart where all the data is. Back to the data. You select any cell inside the data, of course, inside this chart right here. Any data. Come back to insert, pivot table. This is what we call a pivot table. It's exactly the same as a frequency table. Press right here. It says that the table and the range, right? It's selecting the whole everything on this chart. New worksheet, you put existing worksheet and you put it right where you want it, right? After that, this will come up. We put city. Why? Because we're talking about cities right here. Right there. It says it right there. We put cities down on rows and the count of cities down on values. Because it will give us these two things. The name of the cities, and the amount of people who live there, right? And, of course, the grand total. Now, right here, always, almost always, you're always going to put a title on your graphs. Everything. You see up here, title right here. Also, right? She's asking for the category name and the percentage inside the chart. Easy peasy. Come to chart design, quick layouts, and you pick whatever you want. So she's asking for percentage. You can either pick that one. You can pick that one maybe. I chose this one because it was the easiest. It looked nice. Perfect. So these are question 1 and 2.